Hello, let's take a brief view of the high-tech manikin's oral and airway structure and functional assessment. This shall be part of the manikin preparations and post-training housekeeping to ensure manikin's operational status. Do let me know if I miss anything, and hopefully you can have a different point of view of the high-tech mannequins. My assessment approach initiates with structural assessment followed by functional inspection. So the mannequin's oral and airway examinations commence with lips and teeth inspections. In addition to visual inspections, tactile assessment is necessary to aid explorations of hidden area and to determine malpositions, internal dislodge or fracture. Next, let us look out for damaged teeth or tongue and dismantling and assembling of the upper teeth. Manipulate the laryngoscope to inspect oral cavity tear or dislodge with or without jaw lift with the laryngoscope. As the laryngoscope explore further, inspect the epiglottis, vocal cord, and abnormal wall movement of the throat. After this structure check, we can reach out to manikin control laptop to trigger various airway functions as the laryngoscope retrieves outwardly. With this, inspect pharyngeal edemas, laryngeal spasm, and tongue edemas individually. This movement may stress the oral cavity and create opportunity to detect abnormal wall findings. Finally, let's not overlook manikin's lower jaws, neck movement controls, and cyanosis features assessment. Okay, that's all for now. For the detailed technical assessment, I shall share them in others videos. I wish that you like this video and hope that this will help your next simulation.